It doesn't matter what you want, George. He's going to put you where you want.
That's the most intelligent thing I've heard tonight. He's not. Lawrence didn't say, road job except Gates down.
Hey, Gates sounds great. I get the high, make him think of 05.
Good.
Turn green.
Dispatch 102 East. The passenger is clear of Grand Bay. Dispatch 102 East. Holding the Grand Bay Sound.
Passenger train gone by you?
Oh yeah, I called that a while ago.
Yeah, I didn't hear it.
Passengers at Devon Road.
Second now, you're in the siding. Okay, come on out.
That's right.
I can send that big freight in, can I, Bob, right in his ass?
Yeah, bring it in.
Thank you.
Dispatch 102 East. Just proceeding through the green at Martin.
Thank you.
How many cars you got, Bruce? About 40, I think.
Not big, eh?
Gauge.
Started to count and it fell apart.
40's about right. Gauge down, dispatch. Or Grand Bay. Let me know when he clears it. You can start your switching. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to hang to do that. When do you want me to quit?